Hi, my name is Rami,
My name's Ola.
and welcome to the warm-up exercise. This exercise is very important because if you do not warm up your body, it will be more difficult for you to make more clean movements and have better coordination. So before each model, it's best to start with this warm-up exercise.
Yep, so let's warm up.
Let's do it. All right, so let's warm up. Just follow our movements. We start with our head, up, down, and now we'll change to the right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, left, and boom. Stretch out those muscles. Now we're gonna change to left, and right, and left, and right, left, and right, and boom, and boom, boom, and boom. And now we will roll the shoulders to the back, and roll to the back, boom. Let your body also bounce a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Down to the front. Sides goes like this. Boom, boom, and boom, 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 boom. Make sure that only the chest is moving, not the rest of the body. Okay, now let's do the sides. And side, side. Boom, boom. Keep those shoulders straight. Reach, reach. Okay, and now with the right hand, stretch. And keep that right hand straight so you will feel stretching in this area. Alright, now go to your left leg. Down, right leg, and now stretch that left hand. All right, hips go to the right. Down. Side, left. Okay, now right leg outside. To the inside.
Here you can also keep bouncing a little bit.
Change the leg, left, outside. Now inside. Okay, now shake it off. All right, so you can also add any other stretching exercises that you need. Let's say if you have any kind of problems with the parts of your body, so you can add this to your exercise before dancing, and always stretch before warm up, before dancing, and stretch a little bit after the dancing, so you do not have any injuries. And see you on the dance floor.